Hi guys, welcome to my weekly vlog. So on this particular day, I started my day off by going to Career Guy to drop off a parcel. Then I went to work, and then at 5 o'clock I knocked off from work. This is me driving home from work. It was raining on this day and I just couldn't wait to go home. There's this house that I normally pass by every day. It's beautiful. I wish I'd filmed before they transformed it like this, because it wasn't always like this, but I really like it. Then I got home and decided to watch some YouTube, and then I had laundry in the washing machine that I needed to finish off. This is the laundry that I hung, and then I put my plants outside just to get some rainwater and a bit of air and sunshine. Then after all of that, I finally sat down to catch up on more YouTube and just relax. Where my help comes from. Hi guys, today is a Tuesday. Ugh, my spirit is so low, like so low. I have anxiety and why at that time. It's like 6 o'clock right now. Mama, I got back from work. I received my washing machine today. Yay! Received my washing machine. And I'm waiting for someone to come collect a bed that I'm selling. I'm selling my daughter's bed because she hasn't slept in it in a while. And then I was supposed to go swimming. I packed the swimming bag and everything, but I wasn't gonna pass out the opportunity to sell the bed because I can go swimming tomorrow and Thursday, so that's fine. So I'm just gonna wait for this person. They're supposed to be here by now, but okay, it's fine. I have so much anxiety, like so much anxiety, and I'm tired. Yo guys, I'm exhausted. I've got nothing, absolutely nothing left in me, and I think the only thing that's currently keeping me going is this vlogmas. It's the only thing that's adding excitement in my life right now, and seeing the numbers grow on YouTube, like, but I'm tired. I am tired. Yo. So in between doing this, I realized I'm vlogging, so yeah, because I think this is the only time I'm gonna cook this week, so I might as well do some. I am currently reading this book. Oh, it's taking me forever to finish. Started it in November, but Namandi, I'm not even halfway through. But I'm just gonna read like 5 pages a day and see where it gets me. Hi guys, I'm sure you guys are sick of this gown by now. Yeah, I had my swimming class today, like you saw earlier. I came out feeling so... First of all, I went in feeling anxious. I've been feeling a lot more anxious lately. I don't know if it's because I'm getting closer to my periods, or it's just like general anxiety concerning everything else. But yeah, I was anxious. And then I normally go in when there's the other instructor, the other girl, and I feel like her and we have an understanding. But today it was the other guy, and I just generally feel like he does so much in that hour that like I feel like I don't grasp anything. And this is generally what I wanted to talk about today, because I was feeling bad, like during the session I was feeling bad. Most of the time when you go there's like 3, 4, sometimes 5 people, and we're all at different stages of learning how to swim. So sometimes you're watching other people who are further than you and you start comparing yourself, right? And it does nothing for you. In fact, I feel like it derails me because I feel like I'm failing, like I'm slow, like what is wrong with me, you know? So lately it's been better because there's been less people, because it's December. I feel like people are home. So it's been better in that sense. So I feel a lot less stressed, but I still feel anxious because the people that are still there are people that are further ahead, and I feel like I should be there by now. But that's not my point. My point was, I was watching Sino Vuyo's interview with Unomdeni the other day, right? And I love podcasts, I love like interviews, I love autobiographies. Is it biographies? I don't know. And the reason why I love that is because people get to share their life stories. They get to share themselves with the world, right? And that does, I'm trying to pace myself because I always say this on my social media that please guys, if you can, and if you're at that stage of your life and story, please share your stories. Please tell your stories to the world. It's important. And I'll tell you why. I was watching that interview, right? And Usnovia was I'm emotional lately, so I'm trying to, you know. So she was talking about her experience at driving school. She mentioned that she had to change driving schools because her first instructor kept telling her to clutch balance, and she didn't understand the fundamentals of that. Like, why do you have to clutch balance? What does that look like? What does that mean for the car? You know, so she was basically like explaining that her mind needs to break down things to like the littlest details for her to understand. And so she had to change schools and go to a driving school that literally sat her down and this is how a car works, this is how an engine works. So when you press the brakes, this is what happens. When you press the clutch, this is what, when you clutch balance, this is what happens. So they break everything down to the littlest detail so that it makes the bigger picture, right? So that when you're in the car, you understand that when I do this, this is what happens. So even when you make a mistake, you realize why you made a mistake, right? So when she said that, I was like, that's how I feel about swimming. I feel like they need to break down, like, because they're just like, okay, get in the water, take the board, kick with the board, do this. And you're doing it, but you don't understand why you're doing it. You don't understand why you stay afloat. You don't understand what it takes to drown. Because the first thing I think of when I'm in the water is that I'm going to drown. So you need to make me understand when I'm in the water and I do this, I'm going to drown. And why does that happen when I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So going back to my point, the importance of people telling their stories is that you get to relate. You get to understand that you're not alone. You get to feel like you're not slow, you're not stupid, you're not, I don't know, but it's just the way that your brain is wired. So when you're in a room full of people who aren't wired the way that you're wired, you start to feel like maybe there's something wrong with me. And when somebody says, hey, my brain works like that as well, you're like, oh, okay, so I'm not the only one, so I'm not stupid, you know. That guy, he just tells you to do stuff, like he doesn't explain the mechanics. For me, I need you to explain why we're doing it. If you do it any other way, I need you to start from A all the way to wherever you need me to be. I understand things better like that, and it helps with my anxiety when I know what's going to happen. You know, it makes me feel better. And also this experience has made me realize that I need a lot of affirming. I don't like it when I'm in the water and I'm doing what he told me to do and he doesn't tell me that I'm doing it right or wrong. I need to know on which stage of the game I am in now. Like, if I'm doing it wrong, tell me I'm doing it wrong. What am I doing wrong? How to fix it? You know, don't just keep quiet. My brain just, I automatically go into, okay, you're quiet because I'm doing it wrong and you don't know how to tell me. So yeah, and as much as it's great to be learning how to swim, because I'm doing things I never thought I'd be doing, like, yeah, I just feel like there should be a whole lot more emotional support and like mental support more than like the physical, because that's where it starts. It starts like the minute you get into the water, it's your mind working, not your body. What works more for me in the water is my mind. I literally have to tell myself, I won't drown. I know how to swim. I know how to stand up. I know how to, you know, move around. Like, it's my mind working more than my body. So I feel like there should be more of that than you showing me that I should kick like this or move like this, or because wherever your mind goes, your body goes. So if my mind tells me I'm gonna drown, I'll forget everything that you showed me because I feel like I'm gonna drown. I literally feel like I'm shouting into a void, but it's very cathartic because I'm frustrated because it's money at stake here, on time, and just my mental health in general. I just came back like not feeling like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I'm okay but not okay, you know. I'm okay that the thing that's bothering me is my progress in the water. So I'm okay with the fact that that's what's bothering me. I hope that makes sense. But I'm not okay with being bothered, you know. I had so much on my mind before I switched on this camera, but also I don't want to talk for too long. I notice people generally don't like talking segments, and that's the part that I enjoy the most in vlogs, and just to get to understand where people are mentally, because I mean, I'm not so much interested in what you're doing, I'm more interested in how people are. So I gravitate more towards sit downs and like those little moments in vlogs where people talk about how they're feeling. I'm not just like a doing person all the time, especially because I spend most of my time at work. So yeah, my brain is scattered, if you can tell. If you can't tell, like, it's all over the place. I'm trying to make sense of everything that I'm feeling right now, and I'm trying to not let my thoughts get away with me as well. So I'm also like very tired of work. I'm very, very tired. I'm very much tired. I'm over everything at this point. Can't wait to leave. Can't wait to see my baby. I can't wait to sleep all day and do nothing and just exist for the sake of existing, you know. Because I was also thinking on my way back, I had like a mini like, existential crisis. I was like, what is the, okay, I'm gonna learn how to swim, and then what? Like, what is the point of everything? Why am I even like in swimming school? Why am I pushing myself so hard to do certain things? Like, what is the point, you know? And then I remembered that I have a child, and literally kids will give you purpose in life. And yeah, they will give you purpose in life. They will snap you back to reality very quick. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm just gonna go watch some YouTube videos until I fall asleep. I am extremely tired. Oh, my point was, the reason why I switched on this camera was that guys, when you get a chance, tell your stories, right? And listen to other people's stories as well. I'm gonna go watch TV now, like I said, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Morning, guys. You know, I just woke up like 20 minutes ago and now I'm here. I never thought how intimate vlogs are. Like, yeah, this is very intimate. I'm still in bed. Um, yo, guys, ndiyagoa. Ndiyagoa. I am going through it. Like, I'm going through the most. Yo. And to think I have swimming class again today. I don't know, hey. And us. Because wow. But anyway, today is a Thursday. Every day when I wake up, I check my YouTube. It used to be Instagram, but now because I have you guys, so I check on my YouTube if we have any new subscribers. And I think we have 5 subscribers today, so we're on 265. So I need 35 subscribers to get to 300, guys. And my birthday is on the 31st, well, 30th. But so please, can I get to 300 subscribers on the 30th, guys? I know we can do it. I know we can do it. So please, please. Also, YouTube is the only thing that's making sense in my life right now. I think it's because I have a goal and I'm working towards it. So yeah. So if you guys like can ask your friends, your boyfriends, your uncles, your mothers, your fathers, your sisters, your brothers, your kids to just please subscribe to my channel. Ask your colleagues, even the ones you don't talk to. So just please subscribe to my channel, guys. Uh, road to 1K. Road to 1K. Road to 1K. But guys, go for real. Like, I'm going through the most. Um I just googled like PMDD symptoms, and that's literally what I have. I'll put up a screenshot because anyway, today is a Thursday. Same old. I'm going to work, and after work I'm going to swimming class. After swimming class I'm coming back home. So there's really nothing happening. Really nothing happening. So I'll see you guys later. Let me just start the day. Bye. So I just came back from Ocean Baskets because I was not gonna cook today. So this is me for the night. I got a platter for one. I'm gonna add a bit of chili and then I'm gonna have wine with it, and then we'll call it a night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on the last day of this weekly vlog. Hi guys, today's a Friday. It's a public holiday, and I was at work. I knocked off at 1. Don't mind the mess behind. Like, my face is a mess also. So I knocked off at 1 and I went to the mall to try and get some Christmas clothes for Langa. plastic there, and I spent way more than what I thought I was gonna spend. And then my mood things just went downhill from there, because I also like had something happen at the mall. Like I literally broke down at Woolworths. Not cute, not cute. But now I'm back home and I bought myself some flowers to cheer myself up, and I'm gonna have wine, and then I don't know what I'm gonna have later on. I was supposed to go out with a friend, but right now that's on hold. But I'm just gonna cancel, because if she doesn't cancel, I'll cancel, because and Koshap, I'm not okay. This thing annoying me. Oh, this is tiring. So now I'm just gonna have wine, and then I'm gonna watch some TV, and then I don't know what I'm gonna have later on, and then yeah, call it a night or a day or whatever, because I'm tired. So here are my flowers. I just put them in a sink full of water because I don't have the energy to cut and put them in vases, so I'm just gonna put them there until I have enough strength. And then here's my wine. I love a natural sweet wine now. It's my favorite. Hi guys, it's a Saturday. It's 2 o'clock. I just got back from work. I thought I was gonna film like unboxing my machine, my washing machine, because it came, but I'm tired. I am finished. Even my lipstick is finished. So I'm just gonna lie here, watch some YouTube until I can gather enough strength to make food. I bought a hot dog roll, so I'm just gonna make hot dogs and then call it a day, because I'm tired. It's been a long week, and sorry, I'm still not okay. So I'm just gonna lie here until I feel okay. I'll see you guys on the next video. Enjoy your weekend. Good morning, and that's YouTube. Bye guys, love you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on 277 subscribers. Only 23 subscribers to go to 300 subscribers. So if you are not subscribed and you keep coming back, you know you want to be part of the family, just click that subscribe button. It costs absolutely nothing. It's not going to take anything away from you. Please. And tell your friends, family, partners, children, mothers to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.